Find Zermatt. Actually, so I'll talk to you on walkie-talkie here. You see that big mountain up there? Must be the Matterhorn. Can you land for a second? So let's ask the GenAI assistant. Hey, we're in Zermatt, Switzerland, and there's a big pyramid-looking mountain here. Which mountain is this?
The pyramid-shaped mountain in Zermatt, Switzerland is called the Matterhorn. It is one of the most iconic peaks in the Swiss Alps.
All right. So should we go to the peak of Matterhorn?
Yep.
After you.
You want to follow me?
Yep.
Okay. Well,
Okay, it's a very steep mountain.
it's very steep.
I can't believe how. I mean, this is what it's like. I guess. Is it supposed to be like the division between Italy and Switzerland? Let's ask the GenAI one sec.
I'm not sure.
Hey, tell us more about Matterhorn. Is that on the border of which countries?
The Matterhorn is located on the border between Switzerland and Italy. It is part of the Pennine Alps and is situated in the Swiss canton of Valais in the Italian region of Aosta Valley. The mountain's distinctive pyramid shape and its prominence in the region make it a popular destination for climbers and tourists.
What's the altitude of Matterhorn?
The Matterhorn has an altitude of 478 meters, 692 feet, above sea level.
Well, okay. Very cool. Is it climbable year-round, or is there a preferred time of the year?
Climbing the Matterhorn is typically done during the summer months, from July to September, when the weather conditions are more favorable.
Okay. Is there a particular side where Matterhorn is typically climbed from?
The most common route for climbing the Matterhorn is the Hornli Ridge, which starts from the Swiss side of Zermatt. This route is the most popular and well-established, offering a mix of technical climbing and endurance. However, there are other routes on different sides of the mountain.
Okay. He said it's down there, the Swiss side. Let's go check it out on the base.
Okay.
Wow.
Ah.
All right. Hopefully you won't slide down, but it seems like you'd climb it from this angle, but it seems far too steep. I don't know. Have you heard
Wow.
anything about this place, or?
I know people climb it, but I have no idea.
All right.